Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the controller layout in Wildgate. To do it, click on the menu in top right corner, then go to options, now go to controller, and you'll find controller layout as well as controller Helm layout, and they both can be changed. Also here you'll be able to check the layout. So let's go to controller layout first, click on change, and you can set it to default. You'll see all the keys so you know which ones we do what, but also you can go to tactical to change it to tactical preset or bumper jumper preset, which also has some different bindings a little bit, and yeah, feel free to choose whichever one you like. Then you can also change the controller Helm layout, and that can be set to default or racer, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.